So friends, today's topic that we would be discussing is that what is the difference between the quarantine and isolation. So first of all, we would be discussing about the term that is quarantine. So quarantine is defined as a strict isolation is imposed to prevent the disease. Then this particular term is called as quarantine. And quarantine may depend on certain factors and also on the localities where the people have been living. So these factors do really take some time when different kind of establishment may happen. So these kinds of things do have a different kind of a differentiating factor from all other individual, and the symptoms may vary from individual to individual, but we need to take care of the important symptoms that we may find about different kind of disease that has been going on. And mainly about the viruses, highly contagious viruses. And after that we would be discussing about the second term that is mainly called as isolation. So both terms are very much similar in meaning, you might say, but there is a certain difference in between these two, and that is the difference mainly when a ill affected person has been separated from the healthy individual from the highly contagious disease, then it is called as isolation. And it is also tends to happen in a different kind of localities. And if the person has been differentiating with certain symptoms, then he might need to have those kinds of strategies in mind. If we see that vitamin C really important, and a good nutritious diet, that is always been the key, and coconut water and different other things that you can take. But separation is always been the key, and you do not need to go into the crowded places, and so all other factors are always been the important part. So friends, you can see the location is pretty much different. I'm in my village, so I don't have my stand to shoot this particular video, but I'm been doing this for all you guys. So hope you like this video. Thank you friends.